Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by waking your Galaxy Watch 4 and unlocking it. Make sure the battery is above 10% so it won't shut down mid-change. Once done, you need the Settings app visible. Swipe up to open the app's grid and tap Settings. You're doing this because Talkback lives in accessibility and you must access system settings directly. Make sure tactile gestures respond so you can follow the next steps without using voice commands or the phone companion app yet. Now you go into Accessibility inside Settings. This is where Talkback and other assistive features are controlled. Tap Vision, then locate Talkback in that submenu. If Talkback is on, the interface may require two-finger scrolling and double tap to activate selections. You're doing this because Talkback changes gesture behavior. Single taps preview, double taps confirm. Make sure to steady your hand and use the two-finger scroll mode. To finish, double tap the Talkback toggle to switch it off. The double tap confirms because single taps only focus. If a confirmation dialog appears, double tap OK to accept. Once Talkback is off, gestures revert to normal and you can navigate with single taps again. If the UI still behaves oddly, restart the watch. Press and hold the home button, choose power off, then power on. Troubleshooting tip. If Talkback won't toggle, use the Galaxy wearable app on your phone to change accessibility settings remotely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.